Greetings, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the latest tech insights. I'm your host, and today, we're diving into the world of motherboards with the GIGABYTE B550 UD AC. Get ready to unlock your PC's full potential. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's unbox this motherboard and see what's inside. Inside the box, we've got the GIGABYTE B550 UD AC motherboard, and trust me, it's more than meets the eye. Let's explore what makes this motherboard a standout choice. First things first, the GIGABYTE B550 UD AC boasts the AMD AM4 socket, a versatile and affordable choice. This motherboard supports a wide range of AMD processors, from the Ryzen 5000 series to the 3000 series. Whether you're a gamer or a content creator, there's a Ryzen CPU for you. Let's talk memory and power design, essential for seamless performance. With support for DDR4 memory and a robust 10+3 phases digital twin power design, this motherboard ensures your system runs smoothly. It's all about reliability. Connectivity matters, and the GIGABYTE B550 UD AC doesn't disappoint. Featuring a PCIe 4.0 x16 slot, dual ultra-fast NVMe PCIe 4.0, 3.0 x 4M.2 connectors, and a Realtek GBE LAN chip, this motherboard ensures you're future-proofed and ready for high-speed data transfer. Let's add some flair to your setup with fine-tuning and RGB lighting. Customize your build with RGB Fusion 2.0, support for addressable LED, and RGB LED strips. Keep things cool and quiet with Smart Fan 5. But here's the real gem: GIGABYTE Store MI technology. Store MI turbocharges your storage by combining the speed of SSDs with the capacity of HDDs. It's like having the best of both worlds, resulting in faster boot times and an overall improved user experience. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at the GIGABYTE B550 UD AC motherboard. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or just a tech enthusiast, this motherboard offers versatility, reliability, and affordability. If you found this video informative and exciting, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech adventures. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, maximize your PC's potential with GIGABYTE.